Good morning, everybody. It's Keto Granny, and I'm headed over to the gym to get my workout started for today. Get up and let's go. Let's go and get your workout in. That can help with some of your non-scale victories. You can get looser pants. You notice that you're walking a little further. Noticing though that inflammation in your body is gone. All of those are benefits of the keto diet. And if you combine intermittent fasting, wow, you'll be on your way to great benefits. This is Keto Granny saying, get up and let's go. Okay, so I just arrived at Planet Fitness, getting ready to go in and get started with my workout. Let's go. Okay, so I just finished my workout, leaving the gym. I'm gonna head home. I don't have to go by the store for anything today. Oh, well, I think I'm gonna stop by, pick up an avocado. Gonna go in and get an avocado right quick. Let's see what they have. I do love my blue cheese crumbles. So 1 gram, dietary less than 1 gram, total carb 1 gram. So give me the crumbles and cubes. Creamy cheese. Don't see any Kerrygold butter today. And guys, I just skip cheese. So get me a bag of this. Sharp cheddar. Eggs. Those are the cage-free large white egg vegetarian diet. No hormones, antibiotics. I go yellowfish and buy naturally organic. Guys, what's a contented here? Never saw that before. I've already got my milk. Got that yesterday. I like the silk almond milk. They do have that here. I see it in the back there. Silk almond. That's what I use. And I already have my package of organic broccoli florets. My California style blend veggies that I use. These are organic. And these are really easy to use. They make it real convenient as far as your vegetables. And I already have those in my fridge. Also, I have these, the mashed cauliflower, broccoli and cheese. Very, very good, very, very handy, keto friendly. And they do have pancakes and waffles, the mocha green tea. Oh my like either one of those. So I'm gonna pass on that. I was looking to see if they had any more of the monk fruit that I use for my sugar. It looks like they're out. No sugar free. Let's keep going. I have a big bag that has some Himalayan salt. You can see it's $2. First time I've seen they have something here called Carrington Farms coconut and olive oil, 16 ounces. Never seen that, but most definitely keto friendly. And I have my olive oil and I have coconut oil at home, so I'm not gonna buy that today. Very tempting, but not today. Wow, I remember when I used to love apples. I haven't eaten an apple in so long. Nor a banana. This is the part of the store that calls my attention. Organic coconut protein chocolate blend. Anthony's yeast flakes, nutritional yeast flakes. Organic cocoa. I think I have what I came to the store for. What is this? It says every time I come to the store I see something else and I ended up buying it. Before I'm getting ready to head home and possibly see what I'm going to have for breakfast. Okay, so I'm home now, and I'm in my kitchen, getting everything together for my, getting my meal together. Here's the base, which is gonna be the lettuce. And I found some other lettuces in my refrigerator, some salads that I haven't finished, so I'm going to use those also. I'm gonna add some pickles, and I have some burger blue cheese. I'm gonna crumble that up and add it in. So as you can see, I'm gonna have a lot of things to add in, and then when I get ready to actually eat the salads, so I'm gonna have sauerkraut on the side, mushrooms. When I actually get ready to eat the salads, then I'm gonna add my shredded cheese at that time and my avocado. So let me put this all together, and then I'm gonna show you what I come up with in the end. Okay, so I've just finished putting my salads together, cutting up my veggies, adding a little bit of fruit. What I didn't do is I didn't add in my extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of this to my salads. I'm gonna show you what I have so far. On the side here, I have my keto sandwich bread that I made. and my bread, and then I have my keto chicken salad. So I'll have chicken salad sandwich with one of my salads. I'll add my dressing and my cheese at that time, and maybe on the side I'll have some pork skins. But here is what I have so far for my meal prep for the next 1 or 2 days. As you can see, those are the salads, and they have lots of good veggies in them, lots of great veggies. Each one of them has sauerkraut on the side, and they have a dill pickle full of mushrooms, grape cherry tomatoes, some strawberries for the sweet tooth. I got there's the chicken salad. That's my keto chicken salad, and that's very simple and easy to make. And here's my keto loaf bread, and I'll cut this up into slices and use this as needed. So this is part of my keto meal prep for the next couple of days. And then I'll just add in some meat. And I'll decide what type of meat I want to make later today. But there, as you can see, that's part of my meal prep. I hope that this has helped you. It's good to always have something ready and prepared for yourself in the refrigerator, so that when you get hungry, you can reach for it and have it readily available. Because I found if I don't have it readily available, that I will munch on something else that I have, in the house for the grandkids or for company, or that my husband may eat occasionally. So this is Keto Granny saying, prepare your meals ahead of time, or have an idea of what you're going to eat for the day or the next day, and get it ready, and that'll make everything a lot easier. So as you can see, here's my meal prep. Okay, we're at the lake now. My husband is running his boat. One of his favorite toys. He just got a